Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be reviewing a new training course called High Ticket Hero. Now this training course is all about making high ticket commissions from selling high ticket products, and this is all using free Facebook groups, no paid ads, no paid Google ads or Facebook ads. And this is the sales page here. Have a read through it in your own time, but basically it's what I've said, and let me just show you. So here you see, without selling, without paid ads, without even a website, without making videos on YouTube like I'm doing, without an email list, and with no hassles, you get free daily traffic, you get high ticket offers, 100% proven, as you said, pandemic proof, effortless start, and life-changing income. This is the guy who's developed this course, and this is Dan Khan, and his partner I believe is Philip. He's basically goes through his story here about how he started making money and how he went through this whole process. He talks about why you should join this course, about the big commissions, and so on. I'll show you some of his income proofs. So these are some of his and Phil's income proofs. So he's some $3,000, $1,400 one day. And here's some big income here. So I'll show you my bonus page. So I've written a short review here. I've gone through the highlights of the course, why I think you should get it, and the pricing. I'll go over the pricing briefly. So the front end training is worth a staggering under $13, $12.95. And there's a couple of OTOs, 5 OTOs, quite a few. The first OTO is the Pro version. With the Pro version, you get access to training that teaches you how to get 20 times more traffic in the same amount of time. OTO 2 is DFY Campaigns, and this OTO gives you 30 DFY campaigns that you can just copy and paste and start making money straight away. OTO 3 is DFY Super Funnel. So they personally create a super funnel, and to place on your profile, you can have big commissions, and also you'll get instant approval to be an affiliate for High Ticket Hero. OTO 4 is license rights, so you can resell this course for whatever amount you want, and you get 100% of the commissions throughout the funnel. OTO 5 is one-on-one coaching with Dan, and that will be a 1-hour session, and he'll go through how to use High Ticket Hero to make big commissions for yourself, or he'll answer any internet marketing questions. So overall, I think the training is quite good. You learn quite a lot. I went through the course briefly, and I did pick up some good tips from there. And even the upsells, a few of them are really quite interesting. I'd go for OTO 1 and maybe OTO 2 and maybe OTO 5 even. So let me go through some of my bonuses. You get 5 bonuses if you buy from any of the green links on my page. The first bonus is access to Enigma for the first 12 hours only, and Enigma is all about how to obtain and leverage Facebook traffic for free. And bonus 2 is how to build your Facebook following fast. Bonus 3 is how to drive insane traffic with Reddit. Bonus 4 is access to Insurgency, leverage High Ticket Hero with Facebook ads. And bonus 5 is all the vendor bonuses. So if you want all these bonuses, they're all custom bonuses. You click any of these green links and you'll go straight to the sales page, and you'll instantly be sent a link to access all these bonuses. Let me quickly show you inside the members area. So this is the training area, and you get all the main categories along the side here, and you click on it and it opens up the subcategories. There's a lot of training in here, a lot to take in, but it's very useful, especially for beginners, even intermediate users. And Dan basically tells you how to make the commissions that he's making just by using Facebook. So it's quite a unique course. I've not seen a course like it, just based on Facebook. And if you take action now, you'll get it at this cheap price, and you get all the bonuses straight away. So again, click on the link below in the description and jump onto this page and buy it today, and you'll start making money like Dan. Thank you. Bye.